Hello, grade 6. Welcome to our English 6 class with teacher Shane. I hope you still remember me from our previous lesson. Again, I am your teacher in English and my name is teacher Shane. Today's topic is about WH questions. Again, our topic is about WH questions. Are you ready for our today's lesson? Good to hear that. Let's get started. So what to do? First, take a seat. Second, look at the slides and follow. Third, read each word with the teacher. Listen carefully to the teacher's voice and enjoy. Again, our topic is about WH questions. What? Why? Who? When? Where? These are the words we use to ask questions. Again, these are the words we use to ask questions. So what symbol do we use when we ask or when we make a question? Are you familiar with this symbol? Good. You call this question mark. So the symbol we use to ask a question is question mark. Very good. So let's start with the first WH. What? Again. What? So we use what to ask about things, animals, objects, or information. Again, we use what to ask about animals, things, objects, or information. The answer will be about the object, thing, or animals or information. Again, the answer to the question what will be about the object, thing, or animal or information. Let's go to our example. What is in your bag? What is in your bag? My books are in my bag. My books are in my bag. Next, what is your favorite subject? What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English. My favorite subject is English. Bag is an object or a thing. Telling your favorite subject is giving information. Okay? Do you understand? Very good. Now let's go to our next WH. Why? Everybody, why? One more time. Why? Good. So we use why to know the reason. The answer with the question why will be a reason. Again, the answer with the question why will be a reason. Now let's go to our example. So the question is, why are the children wearing coats? Again, why are the children wearing coats? On the right side will be the reasons why the children wearing coats. The first one, because they like them, because it is cold, because it is morning. Oftentimes we use because when the question starts with why. Again, we use because to answer the question why. So the reason why the children are wearing coats, it's because it's cold. Again, the reason why the children wearing coats, because it is cold. Let's now go to our next WH question. Who? Again, who? Very good. We use who to ask about people. Again, we use who to ask about people. The answer with the question who will be a person. Again, the answer with the question who will be a person. Now let's go to our example. Who is your teacher? Who is your teacher? Teacher Shane. So Teacher Shane is a person. Again, Teacher Shane is a person. Next, who is your brother? Who is your brother? Joseph. So Joseph is a person as well. Do you understand? Great. Let's now go to our next WH questions. When? Again, when? Use when to know about time. Again, we use when to know about time. The answer with when question will be a time. Again, the answer with when question will be a time. Let's read our example. When do you go to bed? Again, when do you go to bed? I go to bed at 7 p.m. I go to bed at 7 p.m. 7 p.m. is time. Okay? 7 p.m. tells us time. Next, when do you eat breakfast? When do you eat breakfast? I ate breakfast at 7:20 a.m. I ate breakfast at 7:20 a.m. Again, 7:20 a.m. tells us time. So a.m. is in the morning, while p.m. is in the evening or afternoon. Next, WH question is where? Again, where? We use where to know the place. Again, we use where to know the place. The answer with where question will be a place. Again, the answer with where question will be a place. Let's look to our example. Let's read. Where did you go at the weekend? Again, where did you go at the weekend? I went to the playground. So playground is a place. Again, playgrounds is a place. So every time someone asks you where, so he is talking about place. He or she talking about place. Next, where do you live? Again, where do you live? I live in Lansac province. I live in Lansac province. So Lansac is a place as well. Again, Lansac is a place as well. Okay? Okay, so let's have a recap about our lesson today. We use what to know about things, animals, objects, or information. Why we use why to know the reason. We use who to ask about people. We use when to know about time. And lastly, where we use where to know the place. Did you learn something from our lesson today? Great. See you again in our next lesson. Goodbye.